Welcome to Healthy Lifestyle Tips, your go-to channel for unlocking the secrets to a healthier and happier life. In today's episode, we're delving into the world of baking soda water and exploring its remarkable health benefits. While commonly known as a versatile ingredient for baking or cleaning, baking soda holds an array of surprising advantages when consumed as a refreshing beverage. So, grab a glass of water, add a pinch of baking soda, and let's discover how this simple concoction can contribute to your overall well-being. 1. Alkalizing properties. Maintaining the optimal pH balance in our bodies is crucial for overall health. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, acts as a natural alkalizer, helping to balance the acidity levels. When mixed with water, it creates an alkaline solution that can help neutralize excess acid in the digestive system. By reducing acidity, baking soda water may alleviate symptoms related to indigestion, heartburn, and acid reflux, providing much-needed relief. Furthermore, an alkaline environment in the body can support various bodily functions, such as improved nutrient absorption, boosted immune function, and increased energy levels. By incorporating baking soda water into your routine, you can help create a more balanced internal environment. 2. Digestive aid. In addition to its alkalizing properties, baking soda water may aid digestion in several ways. It can act as a gentle antacid, soothing the stomach and reducing discomfort caused by acid-related issues. For those who struggle with occasional indigestion or heartburn, sipping on a glass of baking soda water can provide quick relief. Moreover, baking soda water may enhance the breakdown of food in the digestive system. It can help to optimize the activity of digestive enzymes, allowing for better nutrient absorption. Improved digestion can lead to reduced bloating, gas, and discomfort after meals, promoting a healthier gastrointestinal system. Additionally, its mild laxative effect may help regulate bowel movements, preventing constipation and promoting regularity. However, it's important to maintain moderation and not rely solely on baking soda water for digestive health, as a balanced diet rich in fiber is also essential. 3. Exercise performance booster. If you're looking for a natural way to boost your exercise performance, look no further than baking soda water. Studies have shown that consuming baking soda before intense physical activity can enhance endurance and reduce fatigue. This is because baking soda acts as a buffering agent, helping to neutralize lactic acid buildup in the muscles, which often leads to fatigue and muscle soreness. By reducing the accumulation of lactic acid, baking soda water may help you exercise longer and at a higher intensity, ultimately improving your fitness goals. This can be particularly beneficial for athletes and individuals engaging in high-intensity workouts. However, it's important to note that baking soda may not be suitable for everyone, so it's best to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating it into your exercise routine. 4. Kidney health support. Maintaining healthy kidneys is vital for overall well-being. Baking soda water may play a role in supporting kidney health by preventing the formation of kidney stones. The alkalizing effect of baking soda helps regulate urine pH levels, reducing the risk of crystal formation and stone development. Furthermore, research suggests that baking soda can help slow down the progression of chronic kidney disease by reducing inflammation and preserving kidney function. However, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating baking soda water into your routine, especially if you have a history of kidney-related issues. 5. Hydration enhancer. Staying hydrated is key to maintaining optimal bodily functions. Baking soda water can help enhance hydration by replenishing essential electrolytes. By adding a pinch of baking soda to your water, you'll introduce a source of bicarbonate ions, which can aid in fluid absorption and retention. This simple addition can be especially beneficial during intense physical activities or in hot weather when electrolyte balance may become compromised. By promoting proper hydration, baking soda water supports various bodily functions, including temperature regulation, nutrient transport, and waste removal. Incorporating baking soda water into your daily routine can unlock a multitude of surprising health benefits. From aiding digestion and promoting exercise performance to supporting kidney health and enhancing hydration, this humble beverage offers a range of advantages that can positively impact your overall well-being. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. So, grab that glass of water, add a pinch of baking soda, and raise a toast to a healthier and happier you. Here's to embracing the hidden potential of baking soda water and reaping the rewards of a well-balanced and nourished body. Cheers!